Hey friends, if you encounter Windows installer package error, service could not be started, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the Windows installer service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services window. Scroll down to the Windows installer service. Okay, and then right click on it and start it manually. The next solution is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And lastly, reinstall the problematic program. Okay, so I have a suggestion. I mean, you will know how to uninstall it, but to reinstall it, always do it from the Microsoft Store. Let us say that you want to install Netflix. Install it from the Microsoft Store. Don't install it from the website because that file may be corrupt or broken. But the one which you download and install from the Microsoft Store will both be genuine, free of viruses, and it will be the right patch. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.